Hi, I'm Tracy Bennett. I'm with the Plumbing Doctor Incorporated in Falls Church, Virginia. And we have actually been with the new flat rate since 2012, the very, very beginning. We had Rodney and Matt come and do their training program for us. And we thought we had a grasp on it. And we actually ran for a couple years. And we were not following the program. And so we thought, gosh, this program it's not working for us. But we really dug deep and we realized that it was us that was the problem. So we decided that we were going to bring them back, or bring you guys back, and revamp completely. We shut down our business for 3 days. And it's the best thing we could have ever done. We really realized how valuable this program is, and we have increased our average ticket. We've doubled it. Right now we're at about $655 average ticket for service calls. So we're grateful, we're thankful. There's always more learning to do. And you really realize how important it is to train, and continual training is the key. We're still not perfect at it, which is why we're here. And this conference has really, really enlightened us, and we know what we have to continue to work on to continue to get greater. So we thank you guys. It is not a sales process at all. It literally works for itself. My father, who's not a big talker, he's the owner of the company, he's gone out and he's done it himself. And you literally say the script and people choose. There's no sales at all required, none at all. In all honesty, our market, we're a very, very big market near DC, and there's a lot of companies in the area, and we had to be competitive. We were a time and material company, and we knew we had to switch to a flat rate company. However, just strict flat rating doesn't give anybody an option. It's either you take it or you leave it, where we found that the menu pricing is not that way at all. Our customers love it, and they pick based on their budget and what they can afford, and it works.